Hi guys, this is Zinil Rahul. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? So guys, right now I'm in Patan. It is a district in Gujarat. It's a nice place, guys. There are so many places are there. So there is a place called Rani Ki Vav. It's actually Queen's stepwell. So they rediscovered in 1940, archaeology department and all. They rediscovered. So they found this stepwell before it was like some almost 10th century place. So I'll show you that, guys, from Patan, just 2 kilometers. So by evening they'll close this, so it's already late, so I have to reach soon. And 1 second, yeah. So finally I came here. I have to take ticket and I have to go fast. Yeah. So finally, I took ticket. It's just 40 rupees, guys. So you can see all this. It's just a garden. Again, I'm telling you, just a garden. But if you see here down, just imagine. Wow. Seriously. Wow, wow. Just imagine, guys, how they discovered this. Down, see how big it is. That too, each and every detail you can see. I'll show you down. See the details. This is the first time I'm seeing the details like this. Wow. I'll go down 1 second. This is the first time I'm seeing, guys. Such a nice place. Just imagine, 10th century means, oh. See the details, everything is like you can see. Wow. Let me go down. Seriously, this is the first time I'm seeing this kind of detail, because in Karnataka trip also I have seen in Badami, Airole, all the places I have seen this kind of place, but these details are really good, guys. See? Wow. See? Seriously? So beautiful. Papa, papa. What a place, what a place. Let me go down. See, really, that archaeology department, I should say, super. Wow. See the details. Discovered these kind of places. Wow, wow. It's really brilliant, guys. Really brilliant. Let me go down. Still. Wow. I can imagine those days how they are living here and all. Seriously. It's looking something else. My god. See the architecture. I really loved a lot, guys, because I have seen same kind of thing in Karnataka trip, in Badami caves and in Aihole. Same, but this is really next level. Because in those places I can't even find some details. It's like faces and all, it's gone. But here you can see everything details. Wow, wow. Seriously, our country is something else, yeah. Because of this in this Indian trip, I learned and I came to know so many things about our country, yeah. Seriously, I really don't know so many things. I thought I know everything about like India, but after this trip, I can learn so many things. So many things. What a experience, yeah. I'm just imagining those days how they used to live here, how they used to build this. I don't want to go back. Much good it is. It's a beautiful place. I think I have to leave because it's already late, 6 o'clock. It's a closing time. Bye bye, guys.